Every great arena tells a story, and at Miami's Kaseya Center, that story is being reimagined through a multi-million-dollar renovation designed to elevate the luxury experience for fans and VIP guests. Armina Stone and Armina Luxe are honored to have been awarded this incredible project inside of one of Miami's most iconic venues. Hi, I'm Elena Capra here at the Kaseya Center, home of the Miami Heat, where Armina Stone and Armina Luxe came together to bring luxury and precision to 20 private suites and 52 luxury loges. From natural stone surfaces to custom cabinetry, every detail was designed to elevate the fan experience. But before all of this came to life here at the arena, it started at the heart of Armina, 35,000 square foot fabrication facility and stone gallery right here in Miami. From the manufacturing facility to the suite level, coordination was key. Armina's project management team worked side by side with Kaseya's construction staff to meet tight timelines while maintaining the precision the brand is known for.
My name is Emre Basman. I am the company owner at Armina Stone and Armina Luxe. It meant the world to us. I mean, NBA, Miami Heat, Kaseya Center, one of the most prestigious projects in the world. Armina Stone, Armina Luxe was fully involved in every aspect and every inch of it. It was an honor. We worked 24/7, like literally. We were at the job site 2 a.m. in the morning. Who does that? Armina does.
Our expectations as an organization, both the Miami Heat and the Kaseya Center, remain super high. This space wouldn't have turned out as beautiful as it did if it wasn't for the craftsmanship, the quality, and the detail of the work from our team from Armina Stone.
Before the first piece was installed, it all began here, where raw slabs of natural stone and porcelain were cut, polished, and perfected.
We have robotic technology with water jets and CNCs. Armina has more than 100 of employees. We have a very strong team. The craftsmanship, the quality, the services is top-notch.
For us, Armina was really dedicated from day one, making sure that they, one, had a very large staff of installers, project managers, to make sure that we were able to get the attention and care that we needed to get this project done right. They were staying on schedule, staying on track, because the millwork was one piece of this much larger puzzle. And in order for us to stay on track with everything else you see around the suites, it was essential that the cabinetry, the bars, the millwork were in place first. And Armina delivered that and allowed us to really move through the rest of the elements of the suite.
Just beyond the private suites are the 52 luxury loges, each one designed to bring the perfect blend of comfort, luxury, and function for Miami Heat fans. Every loge box features custom Armina Stone granite countertops, crafted and fabricated right here in Miami. These surfaces are built to withstand the energy of the arena, while maintaining that refined aesthetic that defines the Kaseya Center new luxury experience.
This is our first big project in which we were working with our team from Armina, and we look forward to seeing opportunities for us to collaborate with Armina Stone again in the future.
So long story short, I am so honored to be part of this amazing project, and I would like to thank to Miami Heat owner, Miami Heat president, and Miami Heat leadership team, construction team. I want to thank to Joe, to Jeff, everybody at Miami Heat. And Armina is here to help them out, to grow with them in any aspect. I'm so proud to be partner of Miami Heat. Armina will continue to be partners with them. Thank you so much.
From the first slab to the final installation, this project represents what makes Armina Stone and Armina Luxe truly special. Craftsmanship, collaboration, and commitment to excellence. Armina Stone and Armina Luxe, proud partners of the Miami Heat.